The easiest way to copy stuff from one place to any other device you have is by using a free service called DropBox. You can go to www.dropbox.com and you'll find the website. Dropbox has free apps for any kind of device. They've got them for the iPads, any tablet. You can get it on the Mac, on PCs. You can get it on iPhones, Android phones, any device. They have an app for free. So sign up for an account. And when you sign up, all you need to do is put in your name, and you have your email address and your password. And that email address, that's where you'll be able to access your account, your Dropbox. From anywhere in the world, any device you're using, you can get into your Dropbox. It's kind of like a cloud storage. It's a remote server that holds files for you, and you can access them from anywhere in the world. Now let's take a look. Once you have an account, you can just sign in. When you sign in, you'll see your cloud, everything that's on your cloud, everything in your account. And things are organized into folders. They give you an apps folder, a photos folder, a public folder, and you can share these with other Dropbox users so that you can give them access to the stuff in your public folder to share files between people. And you can create additional folders and create new files and stuff. And you can delete files that you have in your Dropbox and manage it all with these icons. Now, they give you plenty of space to get started, and if you want more space, you can get free space. You can pay for an upgrade and get up to 100 gigabytes. Business account, you can get 1,000 gigabytes. I don't know what the prices are, but you can do things to get free additional storage, like referring friends, taking a tour of how to use Dropbox, connect to Facebook, connect your Twitter account, do a follow on Twitter. Tell them why you love Dropbox. Manage your email with Mailbox for iOS if you have an Apple device. So a lot of things you can do to get additional storage. I currently have 2.5 gigabytes, which is probably enough for most people. Now, from the Dropbox website, you can install the app for your PC or Mac by just clicking here and then clicking install, and it will install the app for you. Once you have the app installed on your PC or Mac, you'll see down here in the system tray there will be a little Dropbox icon. And if you click on it, it opens up a little pop-up here. And unless you know if everything's up to date or not, you can open up your Dropbox folder on your computer, or you can go to the website. It's a handy little thing here. Now, your Dropbox is also treated like a storage device for your computer. So if you go to your Start menu and search for a program called Windows Explorer, oh yeah, it's here in the Accessories folder. So click on Accessories. This is a PC running Windows, and find Windows Explorer. Click on that, and that opens it up. And you'll see Dropbox up here as a folder. You can click on the folder, and this is your Dropbox. And you can add files just by dragging them into this folder, and that'll add files to your Dropbox. I'll give you an example. Let's get the Fat Fighter demo and download that. We'll go to fatterminator.com. Fat-terminator.com. And you'll see here is the Fat Fighter demo. So now if we want to download it, we can just, if we're going to put it on an iPad or iTunes, we grab the MP4 and right click on that and select Save Link As. If you're using Explorer, it would say Save Target As. And just click on that. It opens up a Save As dialog box, and then you can just save that to your desktop. We've got desktop selected, so it'll go to desktop. And it downloads. And if you're going to use an Android, download the WMV. Save link as WMV and save it again to our desktop. Okay, now we're on our desktop, so let's take a look at that. And here they are. Now to get them into Dropbox, all we need to do is select them and drag them. You can move it right into Dropbox. And take the other one we just downloaded and move it into Dropbox. Okay, now it's in Dropbox. If we go down to that little pop-up thing in the tray, it shows us the progress of it's being up. The two files are now being uploaded to our cloud Dropbox, and it'll tell you when it's done. And next, I'll show you how to get these files onto your Android and onto your iPad. Okay, to get Dropbox on your Android, all you need to do is go to your Google Play Store and you can get the app there. Then once you have it, you just click on Dropbox like you do any other app, and that'll open your Dropbox first time you log on with your email address you used to set up your Dropbox account, and then you'll find we've got our Fat Fighter demo right there ready to go. Now for the Android, we want to select the WMV file. And if we just touch it, that'll open the video, and actually we can play the video. And down below we've got some options. We can delete, we can copy it somewhere, we can click this bar to give us some other options. We can play it on our media player that's built into our phone, or we can select to export the file and save it to where we want. So let's do that. Let's open this again, and we'll select export, and that'll bring up a list of things we can export it to. And we'll go up to the top and select Save to SD card. And from there we can save it anywhere on the phone we want. We can save it in a folder. We can go up to the storage, save it in internal storage, or save it on the card. And then we can either create a folder here, a new folder, or use one we've got. Like I've got a folder here, IWG. Press that. And then we can just go down here and click on Export. Save the file to our IWG folder. And there, the file is saved. Now, in order to find that file again, we just go to our apps. If you have an app like My Files, very handy app, you can look into your card, look in all your files, and you can navigate around. And here we can look at our device storage. We can look at the SD card. And there's the IWG folder. So if we press that, that'll show us the files in that folder. There's a Fat Fighter demo. If we press on that, it will open it up and play it in our default video player. Now let's go back. If we click on the checkbox there, then we can do various things. We can delete the file, or mail it, send it somewhere, or we can move it, copy it, whatever we want to do with this menu up here. And that's the Android. Now with an iPad or iPhone, it's very similar. To get the DropBox app, you just go to the App Store. And once you've got your DropBox app, you just open it. First time you log in with your email address that you used when you created the account. In this case, we're going to want the MP4. So we can just touch it to open it. And there's the video. We could play it here. Or if we go up to the top, there's some things we can do. We can click on this thing here, and we can mail somebody the link, send it to Facebook, Twitter, message, or we can open it and choose an app to open it. Like this media player is a very good app for the iPad or iPhone. You can download that from the App Store, and it makes a good media player. Or we could choose to save the video, and there it's saved to our device. And then we can open it from our media applications or photo application or whatever. That's it in a nutshell.